for sending us new Wreck Royale. Wow!
Wreck Royale! Oh, there's what is this? Ricky Rotter? Who else is in there? Wow, there are so many. Whoa! It's a double pack. This is Double Trouble, and this is King Crash. And look, it's the Skull Clown. Oh, comes tuned out. This is Da Bomb, Meatloaf. We have Big Boss. Oh my gosh, he's a pickup truck too. And look, there's a dog in the back. Cool.
These things fly up and they crash.
Oh my gosh, so when they hit each other, they crash up in the air, right? Wow, we gotta open up all of these. We gotta make them crash and make all their parts fly. And did you know you can mix and match the parts?
Oh yeah. No, wait, let's just see if we got the whole set.
There's 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes!
What do you say to MGA?
Thank you. No, I think I'm gonna win. No, I think I'm gonna win.
You look so cute. All of the cars. You can smash them into each other, or you could smash them into a wall. And look, you could smash them into each other like this. Now you try.
Whoa! These are a cool, very cool toy.
Let's set, go! Set, go! Set, go! Very nice. Line them all up. Set. Go.
See the fun? You don't just want to line them up. Now.
Oh, can you say Wreck Royale?
Ricky out. Ricky, I got it.
What is it?
I got it.
An idea?
Idea.
What's your idea? A finish line? Okay, let's make a race then.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, make a race.
I'm a Skull Joker, and I am going to speak front because it will hit me. It's going to hurt, but my horse says I did it.
Good job. Rizzo? I don't know.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Bow.
Oh, you put the bow on you?
No.
Oh. What is that?
It's like a little booster, and you can go this way and that way.
Whoa.
Self-destruct.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go to the video to see who.
I think you won. Let's watch.
Oh yes, I saw that. Oh, I think I got it. Well, I really love Wreck Royale. Thank you so much, MGA, for sending this to us. Bye for now. Bye.